Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2018 Lexus RC300 F Sport. This one we just took in on trade and it is gorgeous. Brand new rear rotors, brand new front brakes. Oh yeah, it's nice. And this one has looks like INVIDIA. Oh, I knew it was a high performance part. INVIDIA exhaust that is RCF style, which is sick. And then it also has, oh come on, where do you put this thing? Come on. There we go. A cold air intake. I'm not sure what cold air intake, but obviously high quality part with your mass airflow sensor and all that still attached. Definitely makes some good noises out of the 3.5 V6. Stock 261 horsepower. All-wheel drive examples are exclusively powered by the 3.5 and the 6-speed auto. Rear-wheel drive, you could get a 4-cylinder, the V6, and the RCF V8. But when I say this thing makes noise, yeah, I did not know that was an INVIDIA exhaust, but it sounds phenomenal. So, F Sport badging, of course. We're in Sport Plus. You want to move the gauge? Watch this. Let me just hit that again. Ta-da! Awesome. Let's go for a drive. The thing with this car was, when I appraised it, I knew it had high quality mods. The exhaust, it's loud, it is, but it passes inspection. You occasionally get little pops and cracks from the exhaust. They're not crazy loud, but they're there. Best part of this whole car. On top of that, from stock, it pumped in induction noise. That hasn't been deleted. So with the intake, oh my gosh, at full throttle pulls, the noise is phenomenal. Heated steering wheel, heated cooled seats, forward collision warning, lane departure. I mean, it's got everything. 3 settings for your memory seats. Or I should say memory recall, because that works on the steering column as well. This is a cat back system too. It's all the way from the cat's back. I told you, this is a high quality performance modification. Smart car. Transporter. Give it a little bit of a gap. There we go. Wow. Sorry I'm being quiet, but just listen to this thing. Oh, man. Why? Why does this have to be so good? Why? When I praise this, I'm like, oh yeah, it's not bad. No, it's good. It's good. That's, oh, come on. I will say this is probably all ice, though. Yeah, that's 100% ice. Well, winter starts, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.